Hello friends, my name is Randeep Kodia and you are watching World Stock Chart YouTube channel. Today's date is 9 January 2023 and today's first chart of the day is Boeing. Friend, this company is related to aerospace and defense industry. Now friend, analyze the chart of Boeing and predict what are future targets. Friend, this is one day chart. You see 3.9% gain and stock closed it at a topmost level in strong uptrend at $213. Now analyze the chart of 5 day. You clearly see the stock is in strong uptrend. You see around 20 plus dollar gains in 5 day duration and stock is traded at 5 day high. Now analyze the chart of 1 month. In 1 month, stocks below $180 and majorly stock consolidate between $180 and $200 and you clearly see there is a breakout of this consolidation and stock is traded at a 1 month high. Now friend, it's time to analyze the chart of 6 month. In 6 month you clearly see there is a bullish pattern form named cup with handle and whose breakout is happened just slightly below $200 and stock is traded 6 month high and you clearly see more than $50 gains in 6 month duration. Now analyze the chart of 1 year. In 1 year you clearly see there is a strong bullish pattern formed named double bottom and whose neckline breakout is happened just slightly below $200 and stock is near to 1 year high breakout. Now it's time to analyze the chart of 5 year. In 5 year you see stocks high are above $400. From there a more than $200 correction happen in stock and stock comes near to $100 and you clearly see stock is accumulating at a lower level and it is near to its accumulation breakout. Now it's time to analyze the chart of maximum. You clearly see stocks high above $400 and from there more than $200 correction. Stock is taking a spot around $100 and from there you see stock is in forming a double bottom formation whose breakout happened just below $300 in future. After that it may goes again up to $400. Now friend, it's time to predict what are future targets. Friends, if you have a time horizon between 15 days to 1 month period, you clearly see stock will touch $230 mark. Friends, if you like my video, please subscribe channel, likes video, share video, and if you have any query, put it in comment box. I also provide my trading and investment recommendations. You can buy my monthly subscription for my trading and investment recommendations. I also teach how to read charts. You can learn how to read charts. For that, my contact number and email ID are in description box. You can check and contact me. I hope you will definitely contact me. Now it's time to end up the video. Thank you so much.